This is how I made the San Diego Pale Ale 394 lamp. The first thing I did was drill a hole in the bottle, but I forgot to film that. The second thing I did was rinse the bottle out. This is actually the third thing I did. I drilled a hole in the cap. Whee! So this is where the thread pipe is going to go. And the thread pipe is where you put the power cable through. So I just screw that on to the hole I made and then put that nut on the back of it to hold it in place. Next, I screw on the bottom part of the socket. Next, I'm going to thread a power cord through the hole at the bottom of the bottle. But before that, I'm going to thread it through a grommet so that I can cover up the hole. Cable. If the cable doesn't come out through the bottom or through the top by itself, I then use this tool just to pull it. Next, we split and strip the wire. Then we put the wires through the thread pipe that we screwed onto the cap and out the base of the socket. Then we screw the cap back on. We then make what's called an underwriter's knot. I don't make the best underwriter's knot, so I don't show you here exactly how I did it. But basically, it's a knot so that if the bottle falls or something, tightly pulls on it, it doesn't rip off from the socket. Next, we're going to attach the wires to the socket. There are two wires on the power cord. One has writing on it. That is the neutral wire. The other one is white and plain, and that's the hot wire. The neutral wire goes on the silver screw, and the hot wire goes on the brass screw. Yeah, to me it makes more sense if the plain wire was the neutral one. Sometimes it confuses me, but that's the way it is. And once that's tightened, we put the cover on the socket and make sure it snaps into place. And the last thing we do before it's ready to test is we put the grommet in place. This is probably the most time-consuming part of making bottle lamps for me. That's a pain in the butt, putting these grommets on there, but I just think the bottle lamps look so much better with the grommets on there. So I think it's worth the effort. What do you think? Now to see if it works. Yes, light. Let there be light. And this is what the final product looks like with the lampshade and the other side. I hope you guys liked it. Tell me what you think in the comments.